In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a user and admin in Base44. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can confidently upgrade a user's role without missing anything important. Before you start, make sure you're already logged into your Base44 account and that you have the right permissions to manage users. Only users with sufficient access can change someone else's role to admin. First, from within Base44, go to your main dashboard. This is the central area where you can see an overview of your workspace and access different parts of your app. If you're not already there, look for a button or menu option labeled Dashboard and click it. This helps you start from a consistent place every time you want to manage users. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the section or menu item related to users. This might be labeled Users, User Management, or something similar, depending on your layout. Click on Users to open the list of people who currently have access to your workspace or app. Here, you'll see all the users along with basic details like their names, emails, or current roles. Next, find the specific user you want to promote to admin. Once you locate that user in the list, move over to the right side of their row. You should see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click on those 3 dots to reveal additional actions you can take for that user. From the menu that appears, click on Edit User. This will open a detailed view or a modal where you can change settings related to that user's profile, including their role and permissions. Take a moment here to make sure you're editing the correct person, especially if there are users with similar names. Inside the Edit User screen, look for the role options and click on Admin. Selecting this option will assign admin level permissions to the user, giving them more control over the workspace. Because admin access is powerful, Base44 may require an upgrade before you can finalize this change. When you click on the admin option, you'll see a prompt telling you that you need to upgrade first. Follow the instructions on that prompt to proceed with the upgrade if required. Once you've completed the necessary upgrade steps and confirmed everything looks correct, scroll down to the bottom of the Edit User window and click on Submit. This saves your changes and officially makes that user an admin in Base44. After submitting, you can return to the user list to verify that their role now shows as admin.